Do you think you'd be able to catch your supper with one of these? If not, Kyrgyzstan Salburun hunting festival probably isn't for you. The event attracts hunters from across the Central Asian nation to take part in a variety of competitions. For some, you need a golden eagle. For others, an original tiger and hound. Hunting forms the backbone of nomadic life in Kyrgyzstan. The skill of catching food with golden eagles has been handed down through the generations in rural parts of the country. In former times, it was said that a hunter with one eagle could support a large family. The Salburun organisers revived the tradition 4 years ago in order to preserve local culture. During the competition, the eagle must hit the prey, a dead fox dragged behind a car, on first attempt. Another tradition is hunting with the Kyrgyz hound. According to legend, the first tiger and hound was found in a vulture's nest. Tradition says the dogs can only be given as gifts, because God himself gave them to the Kyrgyz people. The hounds are tested in several ways. One event sees them chasing a fox's body, and another baiting a chained-up wolf. The archery competition is another key skill on display at the festival. According to event organisers, it's a skill that's almost been lost in Kyrgyzstan. This year, only 6 men took part. But the event organisers remain optimistic that the festival will preserve rural traditions for generations to come. Harriet Morris, The Associated Press.